Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Arya from Institut Teknologi Bandung. This poster is about autonomous tram development using artificial intelligence. This work is a joint research between ITB, PT Inka, and Riset.ai. And this research is supported by the Indonesian Ministry of Finance under the LPDP RISPRO research funding. One of the tram that has been operating is the Batara Kresna tram in Solo. As you can see in this figure, the Batara Kresna tram must go through a mixed traffic environment. The autonomous tram can either assist the driver in controlling the tram or travel autonomously through a mixed traffic environment. Therefore, the autonomous tram system needs the capability of environment perception and avoiding the obstacle. A block diagram of autonomous tram development using artificial intelligence is shown in this figure. Input sensor data is obtained from a camera, radar, LiDAR, GPS, and HD maps. All the sensors we use are shown in the following figure. The LiDAR we use is Velodyne VLP32 with a range of 200 meters. We use LiDAR data to perform LiDAR-based 3D object detection as shown in this figure. The accuracy of the LiDAR-based 3D is quite good, with the result of the detection score reaching 53.3. The GPS we use is RTK GPS Exchange, with a horizontal position accuracy of 1 meter. We use GPS data for positioning and mapping as shown in this figure. This figure shows the data on the positioning of the train from the Purwosari station to the Solo Kota station. The cameras that we use are Xeconix cameras that are installed around the tram. We use the data from the camera to perform camera-based object detection and panoptic segmentation. Panoptic FPN architecture with a ResNet 101 backbone used for panoptic segmentation. The model's performance is calculated using the panoptic quality metric and reached 58%. The detector model used for camera-based object detection is YOLO version 4 with pre-trained using CocoTrain and the convolutional fine-tuning transfer learning method. We get a fairly good object detection result, marked by a confidence level for each detected object of 85%. The data from radars used to perform radar-based object detection as shown in this figure. The model used is Center Vision, and the model is trained to detect and recognize road users such as cars, trucks, pedestrians, and cyclists. All the sensors used are installed around the tram using brackets, as shown in the following figure. Let's look back to the block diagram. The data from the perception and mapping module are used to perform trajectory prediction and safety assessment. The trajectory prediction module is trained using the time series forecasting method with the type of multiple parallel input and multi-step output using recurrent neural network. And the safety assessment use a boundary thresholding algorithm by dividing the frame into several regions. The output of the autonomous tram system will be used to control the throttle and braking of the tram. Communication between the autonomous tram system and the tram is done through a drive-by-wire system. Another output of the autonomous tram system is the tram driver attention. The status of the face, heat pulse, eye condition, and mode condition can be identified through a classification model based on the result of facial key point extraction. The autonomous tram system also provides information output via a graphical user interface screen to the driver. Thank you very much for your attention.